This is the craziest thing I've ever seen. The lawn's turning white, and this is a full-blown snowstorm. The camera doesn't do it justice. When I look at the camera, it looks like an occasional hit, but I mean, you look off in the distance here, and it's the whole sky is just loaded with the flakes. This is crazy. Look at that. I can't believe this. The whole lawn's going to be white in about 5 minutes. Palm trees and snow. This makes no sense at all. Good thing the tortoises aren't out. This is freaking crazy. So YouTube is going to be inundated with a million zillion California people posting about snow. I'm sure that mine won't be any more impressive than anybody else's, but for me, it's just crazy to look at this. I cannot comprehend this. It's never snowed like this here, ever. I'm 51. I've lived in SoCal my whole life, and I've never seen it snow like this. One time in 2006 or 7, riding the train, it snowed in Rancho Cucamonga for a spell, but this is an extended snow. This is crazy.